Hi, I'm Ashley with Sign Studio, and we've started this YouTube channel as a way to introduce a new line of ADA signs to you and hopefully give you a little insight into who we are as a business and how we might be able to partner with you and help grow your business. Hey, watch this. Did you know that you can change out restroom signs and customize it to your favorite team, or even your favorite season, or even your favorite color? It's pretty cool, right? Hey everybody, my name's Ashley and I'm here to welcome you to our YouTube channel. Here at Sign Studio, we make having ADA compliant signs a simple reality, giving you 4 sign families to choose from with ample opportunities to customize them. We take the headache out of the process, allowing you to select what is needed, and we do the work. We then give you quality custom signs to enhance your space. This is a dream come true for us, and we look forward to doing business with you. Be sure to check out our next video where we take an in-depth look at our sign packages, where we go from the basics all the way to the chin, and we talk about all the customization options available.